Been a cold few days. How's the weekend looking?
Well, it will eventually turn a bit less cold. In fact, really quite warm for the time of year, but not until next week, as said. So it is another cold weekend. Yeah, if you want to go and be warm and cosy in a museum, it's not a bad idea at all. There's still a bit of lying snow, in fact, across some of our southern home counties, Surrey and Kent. Here's Biggin Hill. So some lying snow here, but lots of blue sky around today. Some areas of cloud at times, and temperatures really struggle to get above freezing, just 1-2 degrees Celsius at best for many. Now, this weekend, we keep the cold air again, widespread frost by night. There could be some issues with freezing fog, but there'll also be some sunshine on and off at times for many of us as well. And I'm just going to show you the bigger picture. Here is the pressure chart. So high pressure is dominant, and it's just blocking these weather fronts out towards the north and the west. So not quite allowing the milder air to get through to us just yet, but it will be turning milder further north and west across the UK as we head through the weekend. Eventually, Monday, Tuesday, temperatures will be rising for us too above the seasonal average, but lots of cold air to get through first. That's certainly true overnight tonight. Now, last night we got to -5, -6 degrees Celsius in a few spots. I think we're looking at the same sort of thing again tonight. There will be some freezing fog developing underneath those clear skies and with the very light winds. So where the freezing fog forms, it's going to be very stubborn to lift and clear tomorrow morning. Could linger on for much of the day, I think, where we see it. It won't be everywhere. And there will be some sunshine around as well. 1 to 3 degrees Celsius, if that, possibly under freezing, where we keep the freezing fog through the day. And it's the same again on Sunday with the high pressure going nowhere. So again, freezing fog patches. We should see some sunshine around, could get overtopped by a little bit of cloud perhaps here and there, but some brighter skies by the afternoon and feeling just a little bit milder. The milder air is coming our way as we head through the start of next week. So I'll just show you the temperatures that back up into double figures by the time we get to the middle of next week, which will feel an awful lot warmer for you.
Yeah, phew, exactly. Thanks very much, Elizabeth.
Hello there, good evening. Although it will be turning milder into next week, it's still going to be a very cold weekend ahead. There'll be more widespread frost, possibly some issues with freezing fog, but also some sunshine at times. And of course, it will stay dry with light winds. Clear skies, light winds overnight tonight, just aiding that freezing fog to form. Temperatures could drop as low as -5, -6 degrees Celsius, perhaps even beyond, perhaps even a little bit colder than it was last night. And then into tomorrow morning, where we see the freezing fog form, it could linger around for much of the day, but elsewhere there will be some sunshine around it. It's dry, it's certainly very cold. Highs of only 1 to 3 degrees Celsius at best. Same again on Sunday, a little milder, distinctly milder next week.